My name is Tom Merrick. I am the Associate Director of VR and AR Initiatives here at U. Very excited for day 2 of Miami XR 2026. We had a great start yesterday. For those of you who were with us, we heard from some really great lightning speakers. They were bold, they were heartfelt. We saw adaptability at play, which was really great. And then we got to hear from Bruce Vaughn, president of Walt Disney Imagineering, and his head of R&D, Kyle Laughlin, which was really, really great to hear. You know, these are two execs that are really on the forefront of imagination and where it's headed. So it was both inspiring and grounding. We do have a great slate of speakers here today. Many of you have seen them, great panelists, so we're really excited for you guys to get off, see some demos, listen to some great speakers. One of the things I want to mention about today's event, you'll notice that we are recording these things, but we are not live streaming, and we didn't live stream anything this whole conference. That was intentional. That was a choice. One of the things when we talk about XR, we love XR, right? We here at the U and everywhere, we are building in this technology. We study it. We push the boundaries of it. But whenever we talk about emerging tech, we have to acknowledge both sides, because as we know, technology can expand creativity, opportunity, access, but it can also, I would say, it can fragment attention, it can dilute attention, and it can isolate. So if we feel like if Miami XR, if XR in general is going to be successful, it's got to have the component of deep human connection. So with that said, I am inviting you to be present, to be here, to be part of the community, to be part of the conversation. I would love all of you to demo boldly, ask great questions, meet someone who you haven't met before, because we really wanted to stress that we are a community, and XR is going to be successful if we understand that it's a human experience and we deepen human connection. So with that said, I want to welcome you to day 2 of Miami XR 2026. Thanks for being here. We're going to do some, we kick off some of this, lightning talks. I'm going the wrong way. Oh, you don't need to hear from me. We'll do some lightning talks. I'll speak a little bit. We're going to give our sponsors, we'll give a little bit more leeway to our sponsors to talk, but I'd like to bring a couple of our sponsors up to speak. Simon, come on up.
All right. Hey, thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for your time and attention. It's an honor to be here at Miami XR 2026. Is this on? Okay. Among innovative minds who came to share ideas and build relationships, and also just drive forward the future of technology. My name is Simon. I'm representing Pavora Tech. We are an authorized reseller of XGrid's technology here in the US and in Canada. We're focused on advancing how the physical world and digital reality intersect. So at Pavora Tech, we specialize in state-of-the-art 3D capture and spatial computing tools that empower professionals across industries, from architectural visualization to film production, AR, VR, visual effects, and real estate. Our mission is to give creators the tools and enterprises the tools that streamline reality capture and unlock new dimensions of insight, accuracy, and efficiency. Our flagship offering, which you can go see at our booth, is the brand new XGrid's Portal Cam, which was released, I believe, in fall of last year. So it just got here. In fact, the unit that you'll see at our table was one of the first 2 to make it to the US. So if you want to hold a piece of history, head over to our table and you can see that. But what makes this technology truly transformative is its precision, LiDAR, and high-resolution imaging, which allows it to generate photorealistic spatial models usable in design workflows, virtual production, immersive experiences, and more. So from architectural visualization to cinematic VR content and an interactive heritage documentation, We are helping professionals do what was once prohibitively complex, and we're doing it simply, accurately, and with scale. So the Portal Cam sits probably at the very beginning of most of your workflows on the reality capture side. It is currently the fastest, most accessible way to acquire high-fidelity spatial data from the physical world, producing photorealistic 3D models powered by 3D Gaussian splats right from the start. And once captured, that data is going to integrate seamlessly into the tools you already use. Unity, Unreal Engine, Blender. So with XGrid's SDKs, you can efficiently import and leverage the models directly within leading softwares for design, for rendering, virtual production, game engines, and web-based XR experiences. And one of the key enablers here is going to be the proprietary Lixil cybercolor.lcc file format, which as of last year became open source. So this format supports smaller file sizes and broad compatibility, which gives developers and creators the freedom to build on top of it without being locked into one system. So we're super proud to sponsor this year's event because Bavura Tech stands at the intersection of innovation and real-world impact, which is exactly the kind of thing that Miami XR celebrates. Like Miami XR, we believe in pushing boundaries, enabling collaboration, and turning disruptive technology into practical solutions that move industries forward. So as you're exploring how advanced spatial capture and 3D modeling can enhance your workflow, whether in design, media, construction, or any immersive tech, we'd love to talk. So please feel free to come by our booth, schedule a demo. We do live demos all up and down the US and in Canada. We'd love to bring the tech on site for you. We'd love to get it in your hands so you can see how it performs and whether or not it fits your workflow. So come by, schedule a demo. We are here to collaborate and accelerate what is next for you. So thank you so much, Mr. Tom, and everyone that is on the Miami team for organizing this event, bringing so many young, innovative minds into the same room. We're excited for what we're going to build next together. So thank you again once more for your time and attention.
All right, hi everyone. I'm Matt with Sale.io. We're happy to be here to help sponsor some of the things you guys have going on here at Miami XR. So I'll get into it. About us, we're a mixed reality company in the ed tech space. So we help various organizations unlock the powers of mixed reality through two verticals. First is our MRX platform, which you can come demo at our booth, and also through custom solutions. By custom solutions, it's full 3D lifecycle delivery of whatever our clients need. We see here on the screen we can incorporate AI, IoT. We run data and analytics. We do scenario-based training, and we also have like a team-based multiplayer platform so that as people collaborate in real time, they can go through the training and education together as a team. This photo right here is an example of some of the training at a firm in Singapore. We helped build a platform for them to learn how to operate the public transit system, so the SMRT trains. So they're learning how all the different buttons are overlaid with holograms so that they can practice in a digital environment before obviously going on a live operation. So that gives them preparation and confidence through digital education and training. But we've also delivered projects with other applications as well across a wide variety of industries, ranging from technical training, such as at universities, as well as enterprise firms such as oil and gas with Halliburton and Shell. And we've also done some 3D projects for healthcare applications as well with hospitals and organizations in Singapore. And not to mention that it's also on a wide spectrum with the artistic side as well. We've partnered with fine art institutions such as the National Heritage Board for Cultural and Heritage Preservation. So we're seeing a wide variety of application use cases of mixed reality across different industries to help leverage the power of digital technology. And based on what we've learned from serving our clients, we've packaged all that into MRX, which is our no-code platform to build your own mixed reality content. However, in this case, we're building mixed reality content inside of the headset and not in the console. With your assets, you will then assign different interactions based on what you see here on the splashback screen. Once again, you can come by our booth and I'm happy to show how this works. It's been useful for training and learning, as I've mentioned, but also for spatial visualization and immersive engagements, as there is that real-time collaboration feature as well. 3 easy steps to hopefully get going. First off, we need to prepare your assets. So we support 3D assets, images, and videos. You can also program your AI-driven avatar and chatbots as well. You'll load that from a PC. It'll then sync to the headset, and inside of the headset, it's what you see is what you get authoring features. So you drag and drop them spatially around you, and then assign those interactions. And then once you're ready, you can deploy them via the cloud or localized space. So you can share them with your colleagues in the same building, in a different state, wherever they're at. It's available on the Meta Horizon store as well as on the Microsoft store. So if you have a Quest or a HoloLens, feel free to try it out, and we're excited to see what you can create. And that's about us. We have headquarters out in Singapore, and we also have an office here in Houston, Texas. So my note about the driving here is that it is true, blinkers are optional here, but if you bring that to Texas, be ready because some people might be packing some extra heat in the car. So just be careful if you make it down to Texas. But yeah, we're also partners with some of the companies down there. So happy to be a part of their ecosystem to help, bring some software onto their hardware. Thanks for your time, Tom, and I'll pass on to the next person.